Hey team, the purpose of this video is to show you where you would adjust any of your settings in Google Classroom when it comes to the email notifications that you are or are not receiving. Right now, I'm inside Google Classroom. I'm going to head all the way over here. I call it the pancake. I'm sure that there's a better term for it, but I think it looks like a stack of pancakes. So head over here to the stack of pancakes and click one time. And then scoot all the way. You're not going to have 120 Google Classrooms. You might only have a few. You probably don't even have to scoot all the way down. But I'm going to come down to the bottom right here where it says settings, and I'm going to click one time. After I click one time, then I have a list of options here. You are in charge of determining what email notifications you receive. In my opinion, it is important during this time that you have access to email notifications from your students just to make sure that the things that they're saying are appropriate and acceptable for your classroom environment. Down at the bottom, you can toggle on and off notifications for specific classes, or you can establish universal parameters for all of them. So as you toggle on or off each of these items, this will determine what emails you are or are not receiving. I would avoid turning all of them off. I would say that's a bad idea. It is necessary and prudent for you to know the communication that's going on in your classroom, so please pay attention to that. Now, in one of my previous videos, I explained how you would manage conversations inside of a classroom. If you have chosen to make some adjustments to that, you would enter the classroom and then come over to the gear over here on the top right. When you click on that space, it's up to you if you allow the students to post and comment. Right here where it says stream, if you want the students to have access to that comment space in a semi-public form, just peers. If you wish to turn that on for this season so that they can communicate with one another, then you would make that decision right here. If you make any adjustments, make sure that you come all the way up over here to the right and then click save in order to save those adjustments. Team, thanks so much for watching and have a great day.